Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. I always say, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Today, it's also in the pick. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the different AAS winners I'm growing in my garden, and then I'll go over all the different names of the vegetables I just picked. This is the Fantastico, a 2014 All America Selections winner. It's a determinate variety. It's battled the disease here really well. Maryland Zone 7, we get lots of disease, and you can see it's coming back for a second round of production, which is really impressive. This is Shiny Boy, a compact watermelon that I am growing up a cage. You can see how well it's doing. A pepper that I've grown for the first time, really cool shape. It's going to get a beautiful orange-red color, and that's the Mad Hatter. Super productive 2013 Jasper. Managing the diseases here again in Maryland Zone 7, something that's so important, and just look at all the production. A recent AAS winner, Roulette Habanero. Look at the size and color of those habs. The plant is really large for a habanero, and it is packed full of hot peppers. This is a tomato I always talk about. It's the midnight snack. Beautiful purpling to it. The more the sun hits it, the darker purple they become. This is my Chef's Choice Yellow. Doing really well here again in my garden, battling disease beautifully. Chef's Choice Green right in there. This one's a Chef's Choice Red. That is Big Beef Hybrid, a 1994 All-America Selections winner. Right in here, all those grape tomatoes you saw are Valentine. And it's very prolific. You just get tons of tomatoes. All those, sadly, tomatoes on the ground cracked from this ridiculous rain we were getting. And that is a Candyland currant type tomato. This is my Cornito Gallo. These will get a brilliant yellow-orange color. You saw those in the beginning of the video. I've picked a lot off of this plant already. Very productive. And if you're not familiar with All America Selections, we're a non-profit organization. It's been around for over 85 years. We don't sell the seeds. We hold yearly seed trials, and only the best varieties become All America Selections winners. This is a Sweet Sunset. Gonna wait for that colors to come in on here before I pick it. Okay, let's go over to the other side of my garden. This is my vertical tower. I'm growing about 15 to 20 peppers in this vertical system. The All America Selections winners are often compact. They're very productive. If you subscribe to our channel, you can check out the container gardening playlist and find different vegetables that are great for containers. Here's the Cornito Gallo. That's the color it's going to turn. Coming down this way, this is a Pretty and Sweet, a sweet pepper, kind of like mini bells, absolutely delicious. Coming across here, we have, this is the Aji Rico, and it's extremely productive, hot pepper, and that again was in the introduction. All America Selection winners are also scored on taste. I wanted to cut in real quick and just show you what I made. That's a hot salsa using the Flaming Jade pepper, the Aji Rico, and I used the orange and red Chef's Choice and some cilantro from my garden. That's a pepper and tomato salad made with red vinegar and olive oil, and I used the Valentine tomatoes, cut them in half, as well as the midnight snacks, Pretty and Sweet peppers, and a Cornito Gallo. And again, that's just red vinegar, olive oil. This is my other cucumber salad, tomato cucumber salad. I used the Mad Hatter pepper, cucumbers from the garden, and those are the Jasper tomatoes. And I used a balsamic and olive oil in that one. And I wanted to show you real quick what the Mad Hatter pepper looks like cut up. It almost looks like an angel. It's really cool looking. I love that pepper. It is just so unique, wonderful taste. If you cut the seeds out, there's no heat. It's a nice sweet pepper. If you leave the seeds in, you get a little bit of heat to it. All right, let's get back out to the garden. Here's the other side of my garden. Some more Pretty and Sweets. You can see that I've removed all the red peppers. A compact plant that keeps producing. I'm well over 30-40 peppers off of there. Back in there, I just showed you that in the vertical tower. That's the Aji Rico, and it's just loaded. They're all going to be coming off shortly. And here's my Mad Hatter over on this side of the garden. They turn that beautiful color, and it's just an amazing looking pepper. I've never seen this before. It has a wonderful sweetness and taste on the outside. As you get closer to the seeds, you get a little bit of heat, but it's not an overly hot pepper. Those were just some All-America Selection winners in my garden. And like I said, we've been doing this for 85 years. We hold the yearly seed trials, find new varieties. If they're declared winners, they get the AAS stamp of approval. This is from 1930, don't remember the exact date, but one of the first All-America Selection winners was the sweet banana pepper, something most people have in their garden and didn't realize it was an All-America Selections winner. All right, let's go back to the peppers from the introduction and I'll let you know what they all are. These are all AAS winners that I've harvested from my gardens. We have a Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description. Join us there. We give seed packages away regularly and other gifts. We have Chef's Choice Orange and Red in the larger tomatoes, also some big beef hybrids from 1994. Those are the Jaspers, Midnight Snacks, Candyland down there, the smaller currant type. Those are Valentine's, the grape types. Those are the Mad Hatter peppers. We have the red pepper is an Ember Cayenne. The green pepper is the Flaming Jade, a Serrano type pepper. That's the Aji Rico in the far right corner. Pretty and sweet. And that's the Cornito Gallo. And remember, when you buy an All-America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads, so you can get all kinds of garden information without having to sit through ads. Thanks for watching.